Hi there, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Um, in today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 9th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have a 4 stars Sudoku, and we have a 3 stars Sudoku. Yes. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional extra puzzles, and those puzzles in additional are the letter Sudokus, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Okay. What's the news of today? Well, look, these days, -5, -5, -5. We have a couple days, -8 here, are very cold. Yes, it's cold these days. It's freezing outside. Yes. All right, let me start with the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. All right. And this one, the 3-star Sudoku with this one has wait, this one will be number 7764. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 2 stars, not a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle has 25, and this one has 26, so it should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. No, correction. No, it's correct. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. So we have a 5 in the first column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then need a 2 here, need an 8 here. Alright, we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the first column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Let me see. 1, 3. Okay, and now 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yeah. Alright, we have here the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. And 1 digit left now in this big square for number 9. Alright. And then, let me see. Need a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in a row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 2, 2. Need a 5 here. And I need a 3 here. Okay. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, second row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. It should be there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. Well, 3. And I need to think. Need a 5 here, need a 2 here. Well, 1, and 7. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And now we have a pair. Yeah. The 1 and the 3 in this row. The 1 and the 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the 1, sorry. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay, and now I need a 7 here, and I need a 3 here, and I need a 8 here. Okay, how about the 2? I'm thinking. Yeah. 2. Well, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the first row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and 8 in this column, no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Need a 3 here. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Done. Let me think. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers here in this row. 4 numbers, 4 and a 6. Well, we have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Well, let me mark this here. We have 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 9 goes there. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square from us. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. I thought it was a 2 stars puzzle, but it seems it should be a 1 star puzzle. Yeah, a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.